The Uganda Law Society has vowed to take action against errant lawyers who participate in the torture and abduction of their colleagues. Abdul Nasser Mudyobole, a government critic from the National Unity Platform, told members of the Law Society during the RNB weekly media briefing at their offices in Kololo. He explained how he was arrested and tortured at the hands of state security operatives, accusing him of illegal drilling and being a critic of the NRM regime. He expressed concern over the many Ugandans under illegal detention, some of whom have never gone to court, while others have been held in detention for more than 90 days.
You begin recalling Eddie Mutwe with all the wounds he had. You begin recalling Achileo and all these other political activists who are being tortured. And you imagine when they come back with eyes. That also is a kind of torture. I went through a lot. I imagined my younger children, but I said, yeah, this is the cost of democracy and the cost of good governance.
Mudyobole lauded the Law Society for issuing habeas corpus application to demand for his immediate release while in prison at Uganda Police Station.
You don't need to relent. We need to continue pursuing. We need to move ahead. The times are now that we must stop this torture. We must tell those who are concerned that the torture is real. When you begin seeing people posting on social media, on Twitter, that we are coming for you, my brother, don't take this for fun. It is real.
Law Society President Isaac Semakadde, whose speech was read by Enen Ambrose, a ULS representative from the northern Uganda, called upon all lawyers to be at the forefront of defending justice and protecting human rights.
And for betraying the law, you swore to uphold. You may escape the wrath of the tyrant temporarily, but you will not escape the verdict of history or the judgment of a free people. Let us not be the generation that want justice die in silence. Let us be the advocates who showed up and made a stand. Advocates like those honored by Honorable Sam Juba, Senior Counsel, who resisted and defended the law, even when it cost them everything.
He revealed that it is sad that we are still seeing echoes of the dark past where lawyers are still harassed, threatened, abducted, tortured, and forcibly disappeared because of their political views. NUP lawyer George Musisi revealed that a number of opposition members are still held in prison for their political views since the 2021 elections.
In light of the season that we're going to an election period, we're going to political season, that's one of the things which is going to be very needed. And we need a cadreship of lawyers to be there on call. And not just, but we don't need a crowd to say that, okay, if we get 10 guys. I know that even 3 people can do so much. The issue is to be committed because when you're in the basement somewhere, you can only pray that someone out there is fighting for you. Because you are helpless. You can only pray that someone there is fighting to make more than necessary noise. But apart from noise, because many times noise doesn't move, it has to take court action. From the standard practice has always been that the moment you serve them with the AG and you serve them with court documents, they will either release or charge.
The Law Society also passed extra 2 executive orders, one about digital transformation, aimed at digitalization and transformation of the radical new bar, to be overseen by Joel Basoga, while Dennis Kusasira was appointed to steer the society to accelerate the radical surgery of the judiciary and the Judicial Service Commission. William Ruanga, Big Television.